What's up, guys? Back with another one. I'm trying to get consistent with YouTube. I am gonna aim to start posting every single day, although it is very ambitious, but I do want to do that because I used to post every day a while back, but then I kind of lost my rhythm. So yeah, gonna try to show up every day for you guys and just provide as much value as possible. Today is a very valuable video, very, very valuable. So you might want to watch through the entire video. It's going to be a short one, so it's not too big of an ask. But essentially, every single person watching this video right now probably knows what tool this is. It's Wispr. It's a voice-to-text tool that makes vibe coding a million times easier. You just speak, you release the FN key, and it outputs text for you, right? So it's easier to prompt and actually vibe code and create things using something like Wispr. The only problem with it though is that it costs $20 per month, which is something that I don't like, you know? And I disliked it so much that I decided, you know what? I'm gonna create my own version and give it away for free to my community members inside SKOOL, but also people watching on YouTube. So I decided to create FnScribe, right? So it's an alternative to Wispr, works exactly the same. The only difference, it's 100% free forever. You can use it for Windows and Mac, and there is no paywall, there is no free trial, there is no subscription, there's nothing like that. The only thing you do is you submit your email, get FnScribe, you just click on that button, and then you're gonna go ahead and download the zip file for either Mac or Windows. So whatever you have, go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, unzip the file and just open FnScribe. And if you want to join the community instead, you can get it via the community as well, because I'm gonna be releasing more stuff inside the community. So it might be a better option for you to just join here instead, because I have a lot of other things lined up for the community. If you want to download it from here, just come to Classroom, click on Premium Resources, and then you have for Mac here and for Windows here, right? And once it's downloaded and live, all you do is just go to an empty typing box, hold your FN key and start speaking. And it's working right now as I'm speaking, and as soon as I let go, that's it. It outputs the entire text. So again, this is super, super valuable for vibe coders, people who prompt every single day, because it's easier to express yourself verbally than it is through text. And don't get me wrong, Wispr is amazing, but again, paying $20 per month is a little bit overkill in my opinion for a tool like this. It does solve a big problem, but it still feels a little bit too expensive to be paying that on a monthly basis. So that's why I created this completely for free. Go ahead and enjoy it. It's probably not going to stay free forever. I'm probably going to add a paywall eventually if I see that there's a big demand, which there probably is going to be. But it's not going to be a monthly subscription. At least I don't think so. But if it is a monthly subscription, it's going to be far lower than $20 per month. Or if I decide for a one-time fee, it's probably going to be like, you know, I don't know, $20, $30 one-time fee, and then you own it forever. But it's definitely not going to be $20 per month, right? So again, enjoy, guys. Download it right now while it's still free, because it's probably not going to remain the case forever. And yeah, you can either, you know, click this link that's in my description and bio, or go to the community and join there instead. And if you have any questions inside regarding, you know, this tool, if you run into any issues, just comment down below or reach out to me in any of my links in my description or bio. I hope this is helpful. I hope you got a lot of value from this, and download it right now while it's still free, because again, it's probably not going to be free forever. I'm just letting you know. So yeah, I hope this was valuable. And as always, I will see you next time, probably tomorrow for a new video. Cheers.